Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, I'm at Americana Waterpark and Resort here in at Niagara Falls, Ontario. So I'm gonna check out, but I'm gonna give you a tour of the room. So from the entry, like it's a two queen bedroom. You have like microwave, refrigerator, small refrigerator, and coffee machine. Okay, and they have soap, sanitizer. There's no shortage of that. This is a washroom which was quite clean. Still, it is. I have not made it dirty, of course, and. Yeah, you have shower, everything facility, and lot of towels were available too. You had iron and place to hang your clothes. Okay, what it's doing here. Yeah, and then this is connected to the other room. Of course, I'm not. There's a mirror here, and there are two beds, and above to both beds there is a there's a small mirror. Okay, lights, they have enough light. Even at night you see there are wall lights, two of them. One is at the entrance bed and two at the bed. A cabinet here, and electric point and USB port here. They had a television too and other facilities. Coffee machines you saw. This is like temperature control. It can both cool and heat, so it's gonna like all season gonna work. Small sofa also to relax, and a dining table to have good food. Now the best thing I liked is the location, balcony. Just you see outside, you can see basketball court, children park, and that's the indoor water park. So I'm going there now to have fun. Now I'm going to check out. The checkout time is at 11 a.m. but still they allow you to play until 2 p.m. So I can have this. And for this room I paid $251 including taxes. That includes water park access to. Other thing I had to pay was parking fee, $25 plus taxes. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.